Hello, students. Today we are here to explain the book work and copy work of your history chapter number 3, expansion of British rule in South, West, and Central India. Question number 1 is subsidiary alliance. Terms of alliance. Indian power who joined it. Now, what is subsidiary alliance? This was a masterstroke of diplomatic policy introduced by Lord Wellesley when he became the Governor General of East India Company of India in 1798. So, Lord Wellesley introduced this subsidiary alliances in 1798. The terms of alliance was the British decided Indian rulers had to maintain a large English army in their kingdoms. Second, the Indian rulers had to pay a large amount of money that was subsidized to the British for maintaining the armies. The Indian rulers could not enter into any agreement with any other Indian power informing the British. Fourth, the Indian rulers could not employ any other European on any post in his court or army. They were not allowed to employ any other European person in their court. The Indian rulers was protected from internal disturbance and external attacks by the British. They had to allow a British resident to be posted in their kingdom. Result A. British Company now could maintain strong armies at the expense of the Indian ruler. This increased the territorial political power of British. Indian rulers become weak as well as their powers had taken away from them. They began to spend their time indulging in pleasure of gambling and hunting. D. The British resident interfered in the affairs of the ruler. The subsidiary paid by the Indian rulers to the British was very large one, and these made them financially poor. F was British Company began to annex such kingdoms whose rulers were weak or inefficient. Thus, various Indian rulers joined the alliance like the Nizam in 1798, Nawab of Awadh and Karnataka in 1801, Hindu Raja of Mysore in 1799, members of Maratha Confederacy, mostly Bhosles 1803, Sindhyas in 1804, etc. Now, bookwork. First, Mysore had emerged as a formidable kingdom under Hyder Ali. The Anglo-Mysore War was fought between Hyder Ali and three adversaries, the Maratha, the Nizam, and the English. Now, third one. Capture of Madras provided Hyder Ali an opportunity to settle a score with British. Fourth, fill in the blanks is the subsidiary alliance was the pact between an Indian ruler and British. The British control the internal and foreign policy of the subsidiary states. The Second Anglo Maratha War captured due to the internal fight of the Marathas. Match the column. Treaty of Mangalore. Second Anglo-Mysore War. Peshwa Bajirao II exiled to Bithur, Satara, ruled by a descendant of Shivaji. Fourth, death of Tipu Sultan, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, and Nana Fadnvis, guardian of infant Peshwa Madhav Rao. True or false? The British did not suffer heavy loss in the First Anglo-Mysore War. It is false. They suffered. Cut that did not. The British suffer heavy loss. Then second, the British honored their promise of helping Hyder Ali during the war. False. They dishonored. The French captured the Mahe port. No, it's a false. It was British who captured the Mahe port. Then Tipu Sultan gave his two sons as hostages to the British. Yes, it is true. The subjugation of Mysore made the British a dominant force in South India. True. And the subsidiary alliance with the British helped Indian rulers provide a better administration in their kingdom. It is false. It not provide a better, it's a lost interest. And last one is the Maratha chief did not accept the alliance that Peshwa Bajirao II concluded with the British. True. Now it's a see the picture. Name the Mysore ruler. Tipu Sultan was the Mysore ruler. Fourth, and which battle did he lay down? It was fourth Tipu Sultan, fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Then name the military weapon. The military weapons were rockets. Fourth, after which battle? It's written here. In the Third Anglo-Mysore War, Tipu suffered a humiliating defeat and signed Treaty of Serangapatnam in 1792, where he had to aid two of his sons as an hostages to Britishers. Then fifth one, name the TV serial. The TV serial Tipu Sultan was made by an actor director Sanjay Khan on life and death of Tipu Sultan. So that's all for today. We will meet in our next session with new chapter. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.